Hi guys, it's Abrazak here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can disable AdSense adverts on your website. On your website web pages, page posts, anything on your website that advertisements are showing on. I'm going to show you how you can disable Google Ads adverts from your website, because there are some pages on your website that you don't want adverts to appear, like your sales funnel, your about us page, your contact us page. Those pages are very important and they are containing a lot about your business. Okay, you want to tell more information about your business to your customers, about yourself, how your customers can contact you. So all these places are not good for you to place Google adverts on. But unfortunately, do you know what Google does? Once you have created an account with them and they have approved your account, automatically they'll start displaying adverts on every page of your website. They do not think to know whether you like the advertisement to appear or not. This thing usually happens when you have turned on the auto ads feature on your WordPress, on your AdSense dashboard. So auto ads, as the name implies, is it automatically lets adverts appear on every page of your website. So this thing is meant to help you not to be adding code manually when you are writing pages or when you are writing posts on your website. So Google added this feature to help you seamlessly add advertisements on your website. So you should be what you should do is be focusing creating content. What you should do is be creating content, creating posts and pages on your website. Then the work for Google is to be displaying adverts on those pages for you and for you to earn more money, because it's a lot of task if you are to be adding this code to your website pages and posts or manually. It is a task for you and Google is here to help you. So this is one of their services. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can disable Google ads on some pages of your website which you don't like. For example, I have one website here which I called Masterclass. I created it in order to show people how to design websites, how to do digital marketing. So let me show it to you. Fastnow.com. I call it Masterclass, and I'm going to show you today that page is very important to me. I do not want advert to appear on it. So do you know what I did? It is the method I am going to show you in this video today I used before I disable Google adverts from it. If you have created Google adverts account, you can see feature that disable adverts from the page. What they'll tell you to do is copy the click page of that website, copy the link of that website and paste it on your WordPress dashboard. But get me, those things are not going to work, because I have tried it so many times and it does not work. What I later did is I went ahead to create this page and I added that link on it. Then automatically those page does not have Google advert again. So as you can see, if I navigate through this post, little later you will start seeing advertisements. Sometimes Google advertisement does not show on some pages, especially if you are viewing your own website. Like you are here, I log into this system, so they don't show advertisement to me. It is other people that they show adverts to. So what I'm going to basically do is Masterclass to search for that page. that is it. Let us read more about this thing. So JavaScript code is to help you disable AdSense ad on a website page and post. So this page that I'm going to show you today, I use JavaScript code to disable it. So while removing Google Ads on your website from your website pages and posts, so removing AdSense ads from your website pages or posts helps your reader have good user experience. They can seamlessly navigate your own website without seeing any intervening ads. So because there are some adverts publisher that advertise their product or services, which they target that their advertisement must show on your website, because what they advertising relates to what you are writing about on the website. So all these things prevents you from selling your services or products. But if you have removed it, then your user will not see those advertisements again. Can you imagine that you are a webmaster of car, you are dealing with car and you are writing about car, then other company that sell car that have created Google ads will automatically let Google post their advert on your website, on your content, and you are writing about car already. Maybe the person who is reading your article about car is interested to order, is interested to buy. So as they are seeing this content, as they are seeing the content and the advertisement from other company, they'll go and buy from that company. They'll not buy from you. So this thing has been happening to a lot of bloggers. So they are looking for a solution, and this is what I'm going to show you in this video today. So it can be done. It can be done via Google AdSense dashboard. Google promises that yes, paste the website URL here, then we will not post advert on that web page again. No, that one does not work. If you are waiting for that one to work, it will not work forever. I've tried it for myself for months and it did not work. That's why I went ahead to look for this code, which I'm going to show you today. So in the Google AdSense dashboard, it is clearly stated that you can disable ads from any page of your website, but it does not work. You can't also use plugin to disable it if you turned on auto ads on your website account. On your AdSense account, there's one feature they call auto ads. Once you have turned it on, automatically every page on your website will be having advert. Hence, you can't control the disabling of advert on your website by using mere plugin like Ad Inserter. So the best way to disable AdSense ads on your website is adding the code via your website header. The head section of your website is what I'm going to use today. Navigate to your website themes files editor and add the code which we are going to show today. You can check the description of this video to know that code. So you can also use insert header and footer plugin if you don't want to tamper with your website theme file editor. So or install that theme, then you copy the code from the description of this video and paste it at the head section of your website. Automatically everything will sort out. So disabling AdSense via your dashboard does not work. I told it already. In case you will still see adverts on your post, on your page, before comment section, before reloading, sticking to the header section of your website, sticking to the sidebar, you'll be seeing them even though you have disabled them via your website, via your AdSense dashboard. So let's how to remove AdSense ads from website pages and posts, you ask. So adding code to the head section via website theme files editor or plugin. By disabling via Ads Inserter plugin, you can disable it. By visiting Google AdSense dashboard, by turning off auto ads, make sure that your auto ads feature is turned off before you can do this. So Google AdSense reduction and auto ads feature, in order to help you to automatically place ads across every page and post on your website. This helps you to reduce stress from manually adding AdSense code while writing web pages and posts. It prevents revenue loss because if you have writers, they can get AdSense code from other company or from their friends and paste it while they are writing content for you. You yourself, the owner of the website, will not know, but your revenue will be reducing. That's why Google Advert thought about and created this auto ads feature to automatically place ad across every page on your website. So it helps you reduce revenue loss. Everyone can use auto ads. You don't need to be techie before you can use auto ads. Simply log into your WordPress. Simply log in. Why am I calling WordPress? No problem. So simply log into your Google AdSense dashboard and turn on auto ads. Then automatically every page on your website will be serving ads to your readers. So want more website monetization guides? So on this channel, before I continue, remember to subscribe to our channel. Please like us on Facebook for more digital marketing guides and website monetization. And this is the JavaScript code to disable AdSense ads on a website page and post. This is the code. So you can't understand it now. If you don't know JavaScript very well, you can't understand this code. Let us go to interpret that code. And this is it. This code is wrapped in a self-evoking anonymous function to create a scope function. You can see. So this is the place where you should add the website URL here. Your website URL, add it here like this. That's why I copy this link and paste it at the description of this video. So go there, make sure that you trace where this link is at and replace it with your own link. Then paste it at the head section of your website. And this is the comments. These are the comments of this JavaScript. So it will check the current URL that matches on your website. If it does not match, then it will disable Google Ads on your web to display on your website. And see, simply this is the code. It's not too much. And there's the breakdown anonymous function. So this is it. This is the code interpreter, AI code interpreter. So I'm going to show you this thing now. Learn ICT skills in FPI. You can see no advertisement here, no nothing here. The page is very clean and people can come here and enter their details and submit. This is a sale funnel, so I do not need to add advertisements here because other company can disturb them from submitting their forms. So that's why I say that it's good to create this page so that I'll not lose sale from the people that are coming to visit this web page. So let me start showing you how you can add this code via the theme file editor of your website. So right now we are at the dashboard of one WordPress website dashboard, fastnow.com precisely, and this is the theme file editor section, head section. Exactly, this is the theme header, and go there and find head section. This is the head section. This is the opening part of the head section in HTML, and this is the closing part. What you should do is copy this code from here and paste it right here. Paste everything right here. So you don't need to install plugin here. This one is a manual. Just log into your WordPress dashboard, then click appearance, then click theme at the click theme file editor again after I have clicked theme, and this is it. Then after that one has loaded, then come here and find theme header.php and find the head section. You can add the head section here. You can copy paste that code here, and you can also paste it here anywhere you like, but make sure that it is within the head section. So this one you don't need to add anything, any plugin. You don't need to install any plugin. Make sure that you change this URL to the one of your website. You can see domain.fastnow.com/check domain, make sure that you change it. Like on this website right here, if you want to remove advertisement from it, we copy it, then we come here like this and we paste it right here. That's how we have removed it already. So we click Ctrl V, we have pasted it. So then copy everything around here, copy everything, Ctrl K, Ctrl C, and everything has been copied. Then you go to this theme file editor here and paste it, Ctrl V, you can see that is it. This is what we call JavaScript. It is in script format, so automatically your team will not display advertisements from this page again. You can also use plugin here by installing WordPress insert header and footer plugin. As we call it code snippets, and if you have installed it, I know that by now you have known how you can install plugin and activate it. So activate plugin, they call it code snippets, and go to this header and footer section here and add that code for here. You can see, add it to here. What you should do is simply remove this web page from it, because it defines the URL of the page where you want to disable AdSense ads. This is the comments. It guide you, say get the current page URL. Make sure that you get the current page URL here and check if the current URL matches the disabled page URL. That one does not concern you. It is a JavaScript code, so your browser will understand it. So make sure that that thing is going to be printed at the head section. This is how you can manually, automatically, anything that you want to say, remove adverts from Google on your website. You can do it by installing plugin, which I show you that install insert header and plugin and paste it code at the head section of your website, or go to the theme file section of your website to disable it. No need to go to your dashboard, to your Google AdSense dashboard to disable it. Even if you go there, your website will still be showing adverts. So let's go there and let me show it to you. Ads. If you click ads, this is the WordPress, this is the Google AdSense already, as you can see. So by clicking, so if you know that this video has helped you know how you can disable Google AdSense advertisements from your website page and post, then subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet for more monetization tips from us in the future. And if you haven't visited our website before, our website is one of the very cool that you can get information about web design, digital marketing, and SEO for your digital marketing brand or product. So you can see, for now I am writing this content, how to disable AdSense ads from website pages and posts step by step. So in the next few minutes I will be done with this guide and I will update my subscribers. So for you to be getting updates like this related to this from us in the future, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon, so that you can be notified anytime we have new offers, new videos, new tips, guides from this channel. So why not subscribe? Have you subscribed yet? So subscribe now, and I am looking forward to serve you in the future more better than this. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Take care.